Okay, my name is Barry Giesman. I'm competing in the men's masters 50 to 54 division in the Southwest region, performing 15.2 scaled. This is my weight over here. I'm using a 35-pound Rogue bar, 15-pound plate, and another 15-pound plate over here.
Okay, let's make sure we go low. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Good. 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. 4. Good. 5. Good. 6. 1. 2. 3.
Good, Barry.
4. Slow it up.
Come on, Barry.
Kick it.
Swing it up there.
5.
Nice. Okay, one more.
One more. One more.
Kick it. There.
No, no rep. Six.
Yay! Good job.
All right, Barry. You can do this. You're only a minute and a half into it, so you can get this round. One, go low. 2, go low. 3, good. 4, good. 5, good. 6, nice. Nice job, Barry. Nice job, Barry. You got a minute to go for these 6.
Good.
1, there you go.
Ooh.
Good try, good try. Good try.
Good.
2. You got 30 seconds. 3.
Good.
You got 3 left. You got 20 seconds for 3 left. 4. Come on. Come on.
2 more, Barry.
2
You
more.
can do it. Push.
There you go.
Swing
10
and
seconds. 10
push.
seconds.
Swing and push.
Come on, Barry. Time.
Good job, man, on those pull-ups. Wow. Those were tough. Those were tough.
What is his score?
Okay. Yep, sorry. Got 6, 12, 18, 4.
My score is 22.
I know.